Hey there, my technical artist. Today I'll help you understand how to create this awesome little avatar card using Tailwind CSS. So let's begin. Open VS Code and create a new HTML file named avatar card. Let's start the preview. Add some HTML boilerplate code. Change the document title to something awesome like avatar card. After this, let's use Tailwind CSS from CDN. Although this is not recommended, but we'll still do it anyways since we are just using this as a playground. Let's change font to enter as well. As you might be aware that Tailwind follows a class approach. So we'll write all Tailwind classes in class attribute. Add some background color to the body. To center our actual card, we'll create a parent div. Although you might not need this. Make it flex to place the card into the center of the viewport. Here begins the actual card that you were waiting for. Blur the background and add some background color to it with some opacity. Add some padding to the card and make the edges rounded. Next, we'll add some heading to the card. Make the heading text large and change its color. Add some bottom margin so that there is some gap between the avatars and the heading. Here is the div that will contain the actual avatar images. Make this div a flex box and add some gap between the avatars. Add an image tag for the avatar image. Let's take an image from Unsplash and put that URL in the source attribute. Give it fixed width and height. Make the image circular. Let's add 3 more of this image tag and we are done. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe and enable the notifications before your next YouTube adventure.